Hello and welcome to the tutorial of MeetAlfred. MeetAlfred is a LinkedIn and multi-channel outreach automation tool. It finds leads for you, automates your outreach, and can help you manage sales conversations. So first, you'll want to sign up, and it will first ask you to connect your email accounts, LinkedIn accounts, even Twitter and Facebook if you're doing outreach there. And then you'll have to define your audience. Let's do LinkedIn search, select who we would like to find, head of growth, connections, first and second industries, content creation, maybe SaaS, marketing. Nothing pops up for some reason. Let's skip that. Keywords, title, we already did that. Current companies, doesn't matter. Good to go. Click continue. Then we can either select a template of our library or build a sequence manually, which is what we are going to do for the tutorial. Here's the sequence start. You then select the first step, either engage with the profile, like view something, follow, endorse skills, like recent posts, add tags, right? What we're going to do is only view LinkedIn profile and follow. Then next, wait couple of days, let's say 2 days, endorse top skills, like recent posts, then send a connection request, right? You're gonna personalize the message with custom variables, use your own templates, write a message, and then follow up once connected. Thanks for connecting with me. Of course, here would be your copy, right? A pitch or something to start a conversation. And lastly, you can either engage with profile again or send a LinkedIn message. Let's say, hi there, following up, or, pitching something, whatever it is. And this is your template. You can edit how many days to wait between each step, how many steps to do for profile engagement. You can save the template and then continue. You review it, right? And that's it. You can publish the campaign. You'll basically be reaching out to those leads from your connected LinkedIn account. Now in the dashboard, you'll see an overview of everything happening across MeetAlfred. So your connection request invite sent, messages, right? Profile views, accepted, declined, whatever it is. If you're doing multi-channel, you'll see all of this stuff. In the Finder tab, you'll be able to find leads across LinkedIn. In the Contacts tab, you'll be able to see all of the contacts in your lead database. So basically the contacts, people in your connections, leads you reached out to, your do not contact list, like excluded. In the campaigns tab, of course, you'll see all of the campaigns. So you have LinkedIn, email, Twitter, multi-channel, in-mail, groups, company, message templates, all of that stuff. In inbox, you'll be able to manage all of your replies on conversations all in one place, and then schedule posts and trending topics. This is for Twitter or Facebook, I think. So like that. Now for the pricing, MeetAlfred starts at $59 a month for 3 active campaigns, LinkedIn automation, basic CRM, and all of that stuff. If you want more and unlimited campaigns, you can go for $100 a month. Now, if you want to take a look at MeetAlfred's alternative that might perhaps suit your needs a lot better, then I suggest you take a look at this video right here. Peace.